Oh, there's the cover. This fridge came with a free cover, which was good.
Yeah, so there's the cover there. Nice insulated cover. Heavy wipers. And this is all the stuff you get with it. What do you get with it?
Hang on.
Okay, that's for the. Oh, you've got to put the handles on, so that's for the handles. So you just got to assemble the handles.
Which we're thinking about not putting one of the handles on, aren't we?
Yeah. And on this side, you still get those things there. And you get the plugs for the car. But we'll be using the Anderson plug on that one. And the plug for the wall. Okay, and I'll just have a little look in there. It's got lights in this one, I think, again, hasn't it? 2 LED lights, one there.
Oh, lights there. Okay. Alrighty. We'll get it ready to plug in and see how it goes. Okay, you're putting the handles on, are you?
Let's put the handles on now, yep.
Did it come with a tool or do you need a screwdriver?
No, it came with a Allen key.
Oh, cool. Okay.
So it's not rocket science. Smack them on like that. And then the screws.
So the handles are on. Just go this side. Handle on. We'll plug it in. And switch on.
Switch it on for the first time.
Yeah. Okay, and that one there. I think I said 3 seconds.
3 seconds. There we go.
There we go. And it's on Celsius.
Let's check if the lights...
Can I just put it that way so I can see? Blue lights too. We love blue lights.
Blue lights are the best.
Okay.
Let's see if the lights are working first.
Okay. Oh, there you go.
Lights on in that one.
Lights on. Sorry, I had my finger in the road then.
And lights on in that one.
So we got the fridge on this side, freezer on the other side, yeah?
Yep, we're going to have the freezer on this side and the fridge. So we're going to use the freezer on this side.
Yep.
And we'll be using the fridge on that side.
Yep. Okay.
And the compressor's on and you can...
I can barely
even hear it.
I'll even put it up close, hang on.
Compared to the other one, oh my god.
Compared to that gas monkey. So if you haven't watched that gas monkey video, guys...
gas monkey?
Oh, okay, I'm saying it again. Bloody brass monkey.
Brass monkey.
We watch gas monkeys. It's a brass monkey fridge. Anyhow, have a look at our brass monkey review because, yeah, we lasted 24 hours with that one.
So you got that one on 4 for the fridge.
Yep. Anyhow, we'll set it now and then I'll come back in about half an hour and we'll see how the temperatures are going. So only 30 minutes since it's been plugged in and it's dropped already. So
Freezer.
That one's the freezer,
yep.
That one's the fridge. So pretty good so far. And listen, happy with the sound. So we'll go back again in about an hour, but I'm jotting down the temperatures to show you a table of how quick they drop as well. I think we might put some drinks in there now so we can...
Now?
Yeah. So we'll put some drinks in it now and when we come back to you, we can have a feel, see how cold they are. Righto, we're into an hour and a half being plugged in. We've got freezers now sitting at -11 and the fridge is still at 3. We put some drinks in an hour ago, so let's see how they're going.
They're pretty cold already.
Okay, so that's from the fridge.
That's from the fridge.
And we did
1, 2, 3, 5 in there.
5 cans of drink.
And we did it. And that's really cold as well. Obviously it's not going to freeze for a little while yet because we just stuck it in. But so this is recessed out, so it actually sits down in a channel. So the cold will find it very hard to get out. And they're very solid, stable doors. It's well built actually. We've got lots of ventilation on this one compared to the other one, right around both sides. So it starts from there, goes right around. So it doesn't matter if this is hard up against the back of the car or something, you've still got ventilation on the sides.
Yeah, good. Righto, we're up to 3 hours. Temperature's just sitting, compressor's now turned off. we decided to raise the temperature of the freezer up to, what did we put it up to?
We put up to 1 at 5 because
-5.
At -13, it was starting to ice up the walls in there.
Yeah, so we brought it up. Anyhow, if you have a look, John will open the freezer up. That drink bottle.
It's half ice. And all the
Got
walls are so cold and they're starting to ice up. So,
yeah. So beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
And the fridge. On the side, the drinks. Oh, they're so cold.
They're ready to drink.
Oh yeah, God yeah.
Okay. All right. We'll get it into the car tomorrow morning. I just want to give a shout out to a guy called, what's his name? Reese, I think.
Yeah, Reese, I think.
Reese. Try It Out Adventures. On his review, he did this, and I thought it was a good idea to show you guys what our fridge was doing. But yeah, his was a really in-depth review. So check him out on YouTube. Reese at Try It Out Adventures. And we don't know him. We just came across his review today. So thanks, Reese. Ready to put the fridge cover on there.
But we've got all this condensation around here. So I don't know if it's getting past the rubbers or because it was just in the house for 3 weeks turned on. So I don't know. I'm going to take it back to the shop and just see what that is. If anyone else has that on their fridge, can you just let us know in the comments?
Yeah. All right, we'll just wipe it down. Put the fridge cover on.
Okay, so we're just putting the cover on it. And it's a very flimsy cover compared to the other brand one we had. Which one was that one? The Oz
The Oz Trail.
The Oz Trail was much better, I think. But anyway, this one's alright. It's got lots of layers.
The Oz Trail didn't have it that. It was a bit difficult to get into the fridge, wasn't it? To get into the bag. Compared to this having...
It didn't have a split thing like that.
And it didn't have... Did it have the zips on the side there?
Oh, I think it did. But this is very just so thin. It's half the size of the Oz Trail one. So yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Oh well.
So that's the cover.
At least it came with the free cover, so...
This
Alright.
one's got vent holes.
I'll just come around this side,
Yeah,
John,
come
for
around,
you.
This one's got vent holes right around it. Where the Oz Trail one only had vent holes at the front and the back. Yeah, just there. But this one's got them at the sides right around. Okay.
Yeah.